In recent years, the field of autonomous vehicles has been rapidly advancing. With the goal of creating vehicles that can safely and efficiently navigate roads without human input, researchers and engineers have been exploring a wide range of technologies and techniques. One area where ChatGPT, a large language model developed by OpenAI, can play a critical role is in natural language understanding for autonomous vehicles. In order for autonomous vehicles to interact with their surroundings, they need to be able to understand and respond to natural language input. For example, a vehicle may need to understand and respond to a traffic officer's instructions or a pedestrian's request to cross the street. ChatGPT can be used to improve the natural language understanding capabilities of autonomous vehicles by training it on a dataset of speech and language data. This allows the model to learn the nuances of human speech, allowing the vehicle to understand and respond to natural language input more accurately. Another area where ChatGPT can be used in autonomous vehicles is in the generation of verbal warnings. Autonomous vehicles need to be able to communicate with other road users in order to ensure safety. ChatGPT can be used to generate verbal warnings such as caution, vehicle turning left, or pedestrian crossing, by training the model on a dataset of verbal warnings. This can help improve communication between autonomous vehicles and other road users, increasing overall road safety. Additionally, ChatGPT can also be used for natural language generation in autonomous vehicles. This allows the vehicle to generate natural language responses to passengers or other road users. For example, the vehicle could respond to a passenger's request for directions with a natural language response such as, "I suggest taking the next left turn and then going straight for half a mile to reach your destination." This can create a more natural and human-like interaction between the vehicle and its passengers. One area where ChatGPT can be particularly useful in autonomous vehicles is in the field of speech recognition. Autonomous vehicles need to be able to accurately recognize and respond to voice commands in order to provide a safe and efficient driving experience. ChatGPT can be trained on a dataset of speech data to improve the speech recognition capabilities of the vehicle. This allows the vehicle to understand and respond to a wider range of voices and accents, making it more accessible to a wider range of users. Another area where ChatGPT can be used in autonomous vehicles is in the field of natural language generation for dialogue systems. Autonomous vehicles need to be able to communicate with passengers and other road users in a natural and intuitive way. ChatGPT can be used to generate natural language responses to passengers, such as providing information about the vehicle's current location or estimated arrival time. This can create a more pleasant and human-like interaction between the vehicle and its passengers. ChatGPT can also be used for natural language-based decision-making in autonomous vehicles. This allows the vehicle to understand and respond to natural language commands such as, "Take the most scenic route," or "Avoid traffic." ChatGPT can be trained on a dataset of natural language commands and use this knowledge to make decisions about the vehicle's route and driving behavior. This can create a more natural and intuitive way for passengers to interact with the vehicle and navigate to their destination. Additionally, ChatGPT can also be used in the field of predictive maintenance for autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles need to be able to predict when maintenance is needed in order to ensure a safe and efficient driving experience. ChatGPT can be trained on a dataset of sensor data and vehicle performance metrics to predict when maintenance is needed. This can help autonomous vehicles to schedule maintenance at the most appropriate time, reducing downtime and improving overall vehicle performance. ChatGPT can also be used for natural language-based navigation. This allows the vehicle to understand and respond to natural language commands such as, "Take me to the nearest gas station," or "Find the shortest route to the airport." This can create a more natural and intuitive way for passengers to interact with the vehicle and navigate to their destination. In conclusion, ChatGPT can play a critical role in the field of autonomous vehicles. By improving natural language understanding, verbal warnings, natural language generation and natural language-based navigation, ChatGPT can help make autonomous vehicles safer, more efficient, and more intuitive to interact with. As technology continues to advance and more research is conducted in this field, we can expect to see even more innovative uses of ChatGPT in autonomous vehicles. From in-car voice assistants to natural language-based navigation, ChatGPT is set to change the way we interact with and control autonomous vehicles. Thanks for watching, and stay safe on the road. Remember, autonomous vehicles are still in the developmental phase, and human supervision is required. With the potential of ChatGPT, we can expect a more natural and intuitive way of interacting with autonomous vehicles in the future. Please, like, share, comment and subscribe.